What you looking at, sucker, man? You got eye problem?
No, I don't. But you look ugly. I ain't gonna say nothing though.
You want to talk about somebody ugly with your freaking triple neck looking self, man? Go back to McDonald's, bro.
Yeah, you want to be friends, green beans? Okay, let's have a rap battle right now. I can beat you because you want to talk all that roasting and stuff.
You honestly think you can beat me, fat boy? You can't do nothing. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. This dude about to get roasted. You about to get roasted, all right? You about to get roasted.
I'll go first. Let me hit you with that $25. Hold on, Star Trek Squad. Star Trek Squad up in here. Okay, you whack, get back before you get attacked. You can't do nothing because you ain't got no stacks. I ain't done. Okay. You can kiss my sack. You ain't none because you whack. Okay.
What was that? That was not, no. Let your boy hit you up right quick. JP on the mic. Hold on. I got you. Where's your humanity? Your voice sounds staticky. Which is your tragedy? Which is the casualty? Which is reality? Hold on, my raps are brutality. Let me go take you to hold on. I ain't about to roast you. No, I'm about to do it. Let me take you to Mortal Kombat and hit you with that fatality, boy.
Nope, that's whack. You're stuttering. I didn't stutter.
Alright, you want to talk my stuttering? I got something for you. Bars hit the stars. I got all these cars. Don't walk in my face. I'll send you to Mars. Don't get me started. Your raps are parted. Look at your face. You look retarded. Hold on. My raps are fire. Don't talk to me. You're just a liar. Hold on. These raps you cannot acquire. Ooh.
There's no way. I got something for you. Lights hit the bikes. You suck dykes.
I told you was gonna get roasted, and your boy got roasted. Yep, you lost the battle. Get off the stage, you suck! Yeah, he does, dude. Get off the stage!
Yeah, you suck. Get off the stage. Mommy, why is he not getting off the stage?
Because, honey, he is stupid. He doesn't know how to listen.
You all shut up. You shut up. You shut up. I'm not getting off the stage.
Well, see, you got roasted. In this epic rap battle, it's already posted. You got took coast to coast. And you still got roast to roast. So get off the stage. You know what? Let me help you.
Get off me. Come on, get off the stage. I got it.